Hello everyone, and welcome to this next video in this series of Natas CTF web security challenges. Today we're solving Natas 4. When we access this URL, it says access disallowed, you are visiting from blank, while authorized users should come only from this one. Now this is referring to the this is referring to the referrer header. So if we look at the network and we look at this GET request for this web page, we can see in our request headers that can I zoom in on this? I can. This is so it's a bit easier for you to read. We can see the oh, there's no referrer here. Actually, let's just reload the page. Refresh page. There we go. I wasn't sending a referrer that time. This is the referrer header, which is a standard header you send along with your request, which tells the server where you're coming from. We can click on the question mark, and this will bring up the Mozilla developer documentation, where you can read more about this. But yeah, it's a request header which contains the absolute or partial address from which a resource has been requested. And the way the security is implemented here is that it only tells you that you're authorized if you have the correct referrer. But of course, we can modify the referrer if we want. Now, in Firefox, you can't modify this header directly, so I installed an extension for this called something, modify header value. You can find this for Chrome as well. You can find, like, there's probably like a dozen or 2 dozen different extensions to do the same thing. Just search for like modify request header extension or something like that. But this allows us to modify any request header we want, any of these. Like user agent is quite a popular one to modify. But the one we want in this case is a referrer. So we want to say that when we visit this URL, we want the referrer header to have this value. I mean, it's very helpful and tells us that this is the value we should have. So now we've done this. So when we refresh this page, there's a link here, but we can also just hit Ctrl+R. Now we can see in our GET request that, we've modified the referrer. We actually came from Natas 4, but when we sent the request, we said that we were from Natas 5, and it gave us the password. Of course, we can do this with curl as well, or whatever tool you want to use. I'm just showing you how to do this with extensions. It's a little bit more visual than curl. We might do curl a little bit later. We'll see. But yeah, that's the solution for Natas 4, and in the next video we'll be looking at Natas 5. Thank you.